So when I turn this ultrasonic tank on, what's going to happen is the bottom of the tank is going to vibrate 30,000 cycles a second. You can't see those pressure waves, but if I take this glass jar filled with glass beads and I place it in the ultrasonic tank, you can see the glass beads just bouncing. The reason that occurs is because the pressure wave is being sent through the solution, banging on the glass, bottom of the glass jar, and causing those beads to bounce. Okay, so we showed how the pressure waves transmit through the solution, but again, it's not the pressure waves that actually do the cleaning. It's the cavitation process that's created by the alternating pressure waves in the solution. If I can show the cavitation, if I coat this ceramic ring with simple pencil lead, graphite, now if I put it in the ultrasonic tank with nothing going on, and I agitate it back and forth, you'll see that it doesn't come off at all. Okay, but if I turn the ultrasonics on, you'll see it's only seconds before that graphite is completely removed. Now, as we mentioned, the cavitation process is invisible to the naked eye and it cleans extremely intricately. We showed how it removes the graphite off the ceramic ring. But if we do that again, coat the ring, and if I put another ring on top of it and I hold them together, turn the ultrasonic tank on, see the graphite actually being driven out between those two flat surfaces.